Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to explore the exciting process of data replication from MySQL to Snowflake using Qlik Replicate. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Let's jump into this data journey. Our first step is setting up a Snowflake account. Once logged in, the interface looks something like this. Let's start by creating a warehouse. Navigate to the admin section and select create warehouse. We are choosing an X large size for this tutorial. Next up, we will create a database in Snowflake. Go to the data section and create a database named Compose Landing B. Snowflake already includes some default schemas, but we need to add 3 more: Compose DWH, Data Mart and Error Mart. Now, let's switch to Qlik Replicate. In the Manage Endpoint Connections, create a new endpoint for MySQL as the source and fill in your server details. Test and save this connection. Repeat the process for Snowflake as the target endpoint. It's time to create a replication task in Qlik Replicate. Click New Task, name it, let's say Sales OLTP to EDW, and choose a suitable replication profile. Ensure all necessary task options are selected. Now, assign the source and target connections to your task. Select the tables you need from the sales schema in MySQL. Save your selections. Ready to start replicating? Hit Run to initiate the task. This will begin transferring data from MySQL to Snowflake. Let's head over to Snowflake and refresh the interface. You should now see the new schema with all the replicated tables from MySQL. And that's how you perform data replication from MySQL to Snowflake using Qlik Replicate. It's a straightforward process with immense benefits for your data management strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. We will be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next tutorial.